Hello guys, welcome back to another video of Tactim channel. Hope you guys having a nice day. So as you can see, the video title is how to make money using ChatGPT. You can make money using ChatGPT, but it is not quite that easy. You cannot just ask ChatGPT to make money for you because that's not how ChatGPT works. But how ChatGPT works is that you can just ask ChatGPT for so many strategies, or ChatGPT can help you in so many ways to make money. Just like if you're into freelancing writing or like content creation, you can use ChatGPT to assist with writing articles, blog posts, or other type of content creations. Again, in virtual assistants, ChatGPT can offer you as a virtual assistant. With the help of ChatGPT, you can handle tasks like email management, scheduling, and customer support, and so many kinds of things. You can also develop chatbots from ChatGPT. It can create specialized chatbots for businesses, and it also automates customer service, lead generation, and more. You can also get help from ChatGPT by like tutoring and education, using ChatGPT to provide tutoring services for create educational content and study guides. You can also get help if you are into social media management. ChatGPT can assist with generating content, responding to messages, and managing social media accounts. If you're into consulting services, offering consulting services on how businesses can implement and utilize AI and ChatGPT to enhance their operations. So guys, there are so many strategies that ChatGPT can give you, but ChatGPT cannot make you money directly. You can get help from ChatGPT to make money. So guys, hope you found this video helpful. If you have found this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Tactim channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.